Row Zero is a secure spreadsheet for big data. In this video, we'll show how to connect to an Oracle database and build out a connected spreadsheet. To connect to Oracle, I'll go to the data icon in the top right and click Add Connection. I'll select Oracle as my connection type. I'll fill in my connection details, hit Test Connection. As long as I get a green light, I'm good to go. Next, I'll insert a connected table on my Oracle database. So I'll write a simple query. This is going to query my Oracle database for this baby names dataset. This dataset has a count of each baby name in the US for each year since 1880. It's 2.1 million rows. And the data comes into this connected table, which offers a condensed view of the data, but all of the data is here. If I want to, I can explode this table, control down, you'll see I'm on row 2.1 million. So all the data is here. From here, it works just like Excel and Google Sheets, so I can filter and sort. I can write Excel compatible formulas. So let's say I want to look at the average number of births for the name James over this time period. I can easily do that. I'll show a quick pivot table. I'll drop it right here. And I want to look at unique names over time. So I'll pull year to rows, and I'm going to do a sum of count, and we'll do a count unique on names. This is going to give me a pivot table of the unique names by year. And I'll quickly chart this so we can visualize it. And I'm going to put the count of distinct names on the right in a line chart. So we can see that the count of unique names has grown dramatically. So names are getting more unique in the US over time. If I come back up to my connected table and double click, I can rerun for the latest data. I can also schedule auto updates. So let's say I want this to update every day at 5 a.m. I can easily do that. So if this data is updating, it will automatically update my connected table and everything downstream. So my pivot table and my chart will also dynamically update. From here, I can also share this spreadsheet with a colleague, or I can write my analysis back to my database. So I can write it back to Oracle or a different data source. I'll just give this new table a name and hit export. And so you can see I can easily write back my spreadsheet data directly to the data warehouse. So as you can see, Row Zero makes it very easy to connect to Oracle and build out big dynamic spreadsheets that automatically update. You can try Row Zero for free at rowzero.com and see why Row Zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.